2 from Helpful Builders. Right on this page in September, we would like to share with you some social tips for Facebook page, such as how to connect your Facebook page with your personal profile, how to maximize your Facebook page, all the little things like that you might not know how to do on your page. And if your friends doing the business, make sure to share with them as well. So turn on notifications on Helpful Builder and make sure you check scene first so you don't miss any tips from us. And in this very first video, we will share with you how to connect your Facebook page with your personal profile. So when someone view your personal profile, make sure that they can go to your Facebook page easily.
So I'm looking at my personal profile right now, and I'm gonna click on the About section. You have to do this on computers, so it will be easier for you. On the About section, you will see an option to add the workplace. So click on the work and education. You can see add a workplace. Click add a workplace, and you will see the company. This is where you want to add your business page. Find your own business page and add to the company section right here. For example, for me, I'm gonna add my business page, Helpful Builder. And for the position, add your current title to this section. You are owner, you are founder, managers, photographer, designer, coach, speakers, whatever your position might be, add onto this section. So for me, I'm gonna add social media managers. And for people who targeting to local business, local audience, city and towns is an important element that you cannot miss. So make sure you add the city and town into this section. And after all of those information you have added in, make sure that you make it public. Make it public, everyone, okay? Because you know what? Many people forgot about making their content public. So only people who can see it are the people who already their friends. So we are in digital marketing world today. We gotta make those content public so people can see it. After all, then you save all the changes. Now what happened when someone doing a little picking? I work at Helpful Builder, so people might wonder, what is Helpful Builder? So let's get a pick. Right here you will see is the social media managers at Helpful Builder. And people gonna might ask, what is Helpful Builder? And let's get pick. So suddenly in one click, someone is over my business page. This is a quick way to make this connection. So go set up this connection right now. This is easy one that everyone can do now, okay? And it's really easy little connection point that help you to make your Facebook page a little bit stronger. We are all in Facebook group, we are all in networking, we are all socializing, and it's an easy way to have someone follow your page and get where you want them to go for your business.
Hey, thank you for watching. Like I said earlier, we're gonna do social tips for Facebook in this September. So stick with me and make sure to share this video with your friends so they will know how to do that as well. And if you have any question, comment below. We will answer every single question from you. So I will see you soon.